Hey sleepers, Keith here from Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Tuft Needle Original Mattress. They've been around for a while, people really love this bed, but how does it stand up to Tuck's tests? Watch and find out. Helping us test the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Charles, and heavyweight sleeper Neil. To unbox the Tuft Needle mattress, grab a friend and take it to the intended destination. Take the roll-packed mattress out of the box, cut the plastic, and unroll the mattress. Give it about 12 to 24 hours to expand to its full height. The Tuft Needle mattress is a 10-inch mixed foam bed. The cover is made from a blend of polyester and polyamide. The comfort layer consists of 3 inches of 2.8 PCF polyfoam infused with gel and graphite. The support core is made up of 7 inches of 1.8 PCF high-density polyfoam. This mattress falls at about a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The mattress has a mixed foam feel, which means you will get some conforming, but not that deep sinkage, and the mattress will respond faster than its memory foam counterparts. To check support, we look at the spinal alignment of all 3 of our sleepers while sleeping on their side. We found the mattress supported our lightweight sleeper Rachel a bit better than our average and heavyweight sleepers. To illustrate motion isolation, we asked our heavyweight sleeper Neil to move around one side of the bed, while the glass with water is placed on the other. As you can see, the water and the glass are barely moving. Looking at edge support on the Tuft Needle mattress, our sleepers did experience some sinkage when sitting on the side of the bed, and that same sinkage when sleeping close to the edge of the bed. Yet all 3 of our sleepers did not experience instability or that feeling of roll-off when sleeping on the edge of the bed. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell how well the Tuft Needle relieves pressure. You'll see our average and heavyweight sleepers experience a little bit more pressure on the hips and shoulders when sleeping on their sides, but a little bit less so for our lightweight sleeper Rachel. Assessing temperature neutrality, we found that it does trap some heat for our sleepers being an all-foam mattress, and a bit more so for our heavier weight sleeper Neil. Now let's check in with our sleepers. All right, Rachel, what did you think of the Tuft Needle mattress?
I like it. I actually have one at home.
I liked it. I wasn't really expecting to because it's not really built for somebody my size, but I felt really good on the back.
It's soft enough for my liking. It was really comfortable. I'm a side sleeper, so the side worked really well for me.
Sleeping near the edges of the bed is fine. I would say sitting on it, you feel a little bit more like it's ready to push you out.
I wouldn't say it has the best support, but I didn't feel like I was about to fall off. So it's a good in-between.
All right, well, thanks. Now let's see how the Tuft Needle mattress stacked up in our tests. The mattress has a mixed foam feel, so you'll experience some conforming, yet it'll be quite responsive. For support, we rated the mattress very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good, and edge support was fair, which is on par with other mixed foam mattresses. Pressure relief was very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was fair. So here are a couple takeaways from our mattress testing. If you prefer a bouncy or inner spring mattress, the Tuft Needle's not for you. It's an all-foam bed and you just don't get the same bounce as you do with the other. If you are a heavier weight sleeper, we don't necessarily recommend this bed. You might not get the support that you need in this mattress. If you're a stomach sleeper, you might find this bed is a little bit too soft for your liking, so you probably won't get the support that you need. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. If you're on a budget, the Tuft Needle mattress is a great option. It was built with value in mind, and it definitely comes in at a price tag that's affordable for most folks. If you are a back or a side sleeper, we recommend this mattress as it tested very well internally. If you are a light to average weight sleeper, we recommend this bed. It should work quite well, especially given the price tag. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Tuft Needle Mattress. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing information and discounts, check the written review at tuft.com or the description below the video. That's it for our Tuft Needle original review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Go ahead and comment below if you have any questions for us. We're always happy to answer. Sleep well.